Okay, guys, today we are going to cover one of our recent recommendation, which is CIPLA. So if you see the 15-minute charts of CIPLA, it's quite choppy and it's looking as a directionless and quite volatile stock. And so we'll talk about the trades that we have seen between today and yesterday. So you can see that CIPLA is trending in this range. So we have put this indicator of which is a super trend indicator, and CIPLA is tightly trading in this range between last these through 2 days, and it is well above its previous 15-minute resistance. But what we see in the closing hours today is basically the undecisiveness, clear undecisiveness as to what should be the closing level for this stock. But let us zoom out and look at a daily chart for this one. Over here, it's much more clear that what is the trend like, and you can see that CIPLA is trading in this range. You can see this range on the upper side and this range on the lower side. So it is bouncing back from this level and strongly going up. So this is one of the technical indicators which indicates that there is some good accumulation which is happening in CIPLA. You can see that the markets are very volatile in all these last 7 days ever since the Russian war has started. But CIPLA has been showing good positive candles and with good volumes, and it is closing at almost at the level which it is opening. So this is clearly a good resilient stock for trading in this market. Also, if you look at the delivery percentage for CIPLA, if you go to the delivery percentage across both the exchanges, which is NSE and BSE, you can see this is a huge accumulation which is going on in CIPLA. Almost every second trade is being delivered. It's 50% of all trades are being delivered. So this is a good indication, and if you see, the stock has bounced back very sharply from the levels below 900. So it hardly stayed below 900. So this is a good indication for us. So stock has good accumulation at that level. Also, if you see our website, we have made a detailed article on CIPLA. So you can just go to our website questft.com and read about this. There will be more indicators which we are talking about. So this is some analysis breakdown. This is the price deviation of CIPLA against Nifty. So you can clearly see that though Nifty is acting really volatile, but CIPLA has been relatively stable across 1 month, 3 month, and 6 month time horizon. So the 1 month is very important over here because this is where the entire volatility has come in, the highest volatility in the last 6 months. And we are talking about the same daily chart that we were referring. So you can see the level of 923 is the level at which CIPLA is really trading at, and that is the level it has closed today also. So you can see today's closing is also 923, and 1 week ago we had put this when the market had really given a big fall. The target, the levels was 923. So this is a level at which the weekly candle is also placed at, and this level is very important for CIPLA. So below 920 the stock is acting very supportive. Below 920 it quickly bounces back. We expect either in this week or in the next week the stock should reach around 950 levels, because that is the level which is coming out from the charts that have been developed. But obviously because of the uncertainty it might not be a one way journey for CIPLA. But yeah, if you just look at the daily chart, it's a clear indication that the stock is trading in a narrow range. Now what will happen if it crosses 940 levels? Because we have seen selling coming at this level, right? Because the recent sellings have come at 940 levels. So if it crosses 940 levels, you trail your stop losses, right? But if it hovers around 940 for a long period of time, just hold on to the stock. That means that the stock will consolidate like it consolidated over here and then moved ahead. So the stock might consolidate and then move ahead. So you have to watch the 15-minute candle once the stock reaches 940 and then take a decision to exit or book your losses. So this was for CIPLA, and we are targeting 950 plus levels for CIPLA. We have also recommended Hindalco in our previous video. Unfortunately, I could not make a video on Coal India, but that was also one of the stock that we had recommended, and it gave some handsome returns to our investors. Thank you.